Welcome back to AF Car Reviews. What if Tesla built a larger, more practical Model 9 that could give American buyers serious electric range, lower daily running costs, and enough space for business use without the fuel bills of a traditional vehicle? Today, we're looking at the 2027 Tesla Model 9, a vehicle surrounded by big expectations, and I'll show you where the real value could be hiding. Before we begin, one important note. The Tesla Model 9 has not been officially confirmed with final US specifications or pricing, so the numbers in this review are estimates based on Tesla's current lineup, expected technology, and market positioning. If Tesla brings the Model 9 to market, the biggest attraction could be its running cost. Instead of buying gasoline every week, owners would charge at home, at work, or at public charging stations. Depending on battery size, driving style, weather, and road conditions, a realistic target could be around 250 to 350 miles of real-world driving range on a full charge. For many American drivers, that could cover several days of normal commuting. For small businesses and delivery users, this could become even more interesting. Imagine driving through city traffic all day without repeatedly stopping for gasoline. Electricity costs can be much lower than gasoline, especially when charging at home or during off-peak hours. Of course, highway driving at high speed, cold weather, heavy loads, and frequent fast charging can reduce efficiency, so real-world results will always depend on how you use the vehicle. Now let's talk about estimated pricing. If Tesla positions the Model 9 above its existing mainstream models, a reasonable estimated US starting range could be around $55,000 to $70,000, with higher versions potentially reaching $80,000 or more. In Japan, taxes, import costs, and local pricing could push the estimated range closer to roughly 8 to 11 million yen. For American buyers looking at export markets in Japan or the Middle East, the final landed price could be significantly different because of shipping, duties, registration, and local taxes. The biggest long-term advantage may be maintenance. An electric vehicle has fewer traditional mechanical components than a gasoline car. There is no engine oil change, no conventional transmission service, and no exhaust system. That can reduce routine maintenance costs over several years. However, tires, brakes, suspension parts, software-related service, and eventually battery-related repairs still matter. Insurance is another part of the ownership equation. A Tesla can have higher insurance costs than an ordinary family vehicle because repair bills, sensors, cameras, body panels, and advanced electronics can be expensive. Spare parts availability in America should be better than in smaller overseas markets, but buyers should still check local Tesla service coverage before purchasing. Resale value is harder to predict. Tesla vehicles can experience noticeable depreciation when new technology, incentives, or price changes affect the market. If the Model 9 offers strong range, dependable software, practical space, and competitive pricing, demand could support resale values. But buyers should not assume it will hold value like a highly sought-after traditional pickup or SUV. On the road, the Model 9 should feel very different from a large gasoline vehicle. In city driving, instant electric torque could make acceleration smooth and quick, while regenerative braking can make stop-and-go traffic easier. On highways, the low center of gravity of an EV can provide a stable feeling, while a larger body should offer comfortable long-distance cruising. For daily usability, the real question is space. If Tesla gives the Model 9 a large cargo area, strong payload capability, useful storage, and flexible seating, it could become attractive to contractors, delivery businesses, family owners, and small logistics operations. It could also be easier to manage in narrow American streets and crowded urban areas than an oversized commercial vehicle. One interesting comparison is the Ford F-150. The F-150 has decades of reputation, strong towing capability, huge parts availability, and a massive American service network. But for drivers who mainly commute, deliver products, carry moderate loads, and want to reduce fuel spending, an electric Model 9 could offer a much lower daily energy cost. The Ford remains the safer choice for serious towing and traditional work, while the Tesla could make more sense for value-focused urban and mixed-use owners. Ultimately, the 2027 Tesla Model 9 could be most interesting not because it is simply electric, but because of what it could save over thousands of miles. Lower energy costs, reduced routine maintenance, quiet driving, strong city performance, and modern technology could make it a powerful option for American buyers and selected export markets. But remember, these Model 9 specifications and prices are estimates until Tesla officially confirms the vehicle. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe to AF Car Reviews, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future car updates, new Tesla news, reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.